Welcome to TNC FlipBook. In this video, I am going to talk about the second method, in which is automatic embed of TNC FlipBook PDF viewer for WordPress. This will turn all of your links that ends with .pdf, and all of those links will now open with PDF. You have a WordPress or will be embedded as an iframe. Here I have created a test page with test link. You can see this as a test link which will open a PDF. Let's open it, and we can see what this will do. So when I open this link, you can see a PDF file is opening, which has a .pdf at the end of it. It is opened in default Flipbook of the browser, which doesn't look good. What can I do now is go to my global settings, and then automatic display, and turn the automatic display to automatic iframe. Now when I reload this page, you can see Flipbook has embedded that link automatically. So any link containing .pdf will be turned into this form, and if we choose the automatic link, it will turn that link with TNC FlipBook. So now you can see it is opening with Flipbook, which it wasn't in the previous one. So that's how you can work with the automatic embed function. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.